This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, China has announced restrictions on the export of gallium and germanium, two metals crucial for semiconductor manufacturing, citing national security concerns. Starting from August 1st, exporters will be required to obtain a license for shipping certain gallium and germanium compounds, specifying importers and users and the intended use of these metals. The move is seen as part of the escalating technological trade war between China, Europe, and the United States, where access to microchips and technological supremacy are the key points of contention. China is the largest global source of gallium and germanium, making these export restrictions significant. However, analysts believe that the impact on global supply will be limited due to the targeted scope of the regulation. The purpose of the move is viewed as a warning to countries like the United States, Japan, and the Netherlands, signaling that China has retaliatory options and aiming to deter further restrictions on Chinese access to high-end microchips and tools. It's worth noting that the restrictions do not include outright bans on specific countries or end users. Following the announcement, shares of Chinese germanium producers experienced a surge as market participants anticipated rising prices for the raw materials due to the short-term disruption in supply. The South Korean and Taiwanese officials stated that China's curb would have minimal short-term impact, although they did not rule out the possibility of expanded restrictions on other materials. Gallium is used in the production of compound semiconductor wafers, electronic circuits, semiconductors, and light-emitting diodes. Germanium, on the other hand, is utilized in the manufacturing of fiber optics for data transfer. China's dominant position in mining and processing operations, along with state subsidies, has allowed the country to export these minerals at lower cost than other operators, maintaining its market dominance for critical commodities. However, past attempts by China to restrict exports have led to reduced global availability and increased global prices, stimulating foreign competition and making mining and processing ventures outside China more cost competitive. The technological feud between China and the United States have been ongoing, with the US implementing rules to cut off exports of key chips and semiconductor tools to China. The US has also been encouraging key chip-making nations and allies such as Netherlands and Japan to impose their own export restrictions. In response, the Netherlands recently introduced export restrictions on advanced semiconductor equipment, which indirectly affect companies like ASML. Some countries are taking steps to secure their own supply chain and develop their domestic chip industries, focusing on their traditional areas of strength. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.